Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the MongoDB. Today we are going to learn how to remove the previous MongoDB and install the latest one in our Ubuntu system. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to remove the MongoDB. So here we go with this one. Let's clear this. Okay. Next step, let's move to the app purge MongoDB ORH. So here we go with this one. Okay. Next step, let's remove the logs also. Okay, let's remove this also. Can't remove, no such file directory. Okay. Okay, done. Or if we want that auto remove, you can also run this one to automatically remove everything from the disk. Okay, so now we are going to install the MongoDB. Okay, so this is command for the list part. Okay, let's try to update this. Stable command configured multiple times. This one. Let's go for the next one. Let's go and install this. Okay, let's start with MongoDB start. Let's check the Mongo. So what it says, using Mongoose 2.1 and using MongoDB I think 6.6 is added. So we want the latest one. If you want to check the status of that one, let's use show dbs if they have. So I think there is admin config and the local. So then how to log in with the, so this is the command that you can just log in and do the steps I guess. Show collection or use admin, then show collections. So here you can see that it's working like this and the current version is 6. Okay, so I think the 6 is not the latest one, so we have to go with the next one, the new version. So let's go to the MongoDB new version, MongoDB. uh, just let's search with this one, and here we need to go with the latest version. Okay, so here we go with the documentations, where we have the documentation, develop community. No, let's go with the install MongoDB. So the first site will come over here. So current version is this one. So let's go and the community edition we require. Okay, so here we go with the commands. Let's try to run. exit. Okay, let's copy this command. Okay, and let's go and just add it. Let's go with the this command is added. I think yes. Let's update this. Okay, this is done. Let's move to the installation. So MongoDB 7 is there. Let's go and start and then reload. Okay, now get with the shell status. You have to check. So it's active, right? Control C, and let's try to access the terminal with this command. Okay, so here you can see that using the MongoDB it's 6.0. Okay, and using Mongoose is 2.2.1, but I think we have updated, right? So no worries, we will check that one. So at least we have come up with the sixth version that is already there. So in the next video we will take it up a look like how to upgrade from 6 to 7, because I have followed the steps. I need to cross check like why we are coming from the issues. We will check that part. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.